I'm Will Atkinson. I represent all the students in Wales through National Union of Students of Wales, and I'm also the Welfare Officer at Aberystwyth Students' Union. I've been involved with the inquiry into alcohol and substance misuse in Wales through the Health and Social Care Committee at the Welsh Assembly. We've been sort of trying to put a student perspective across in the problems that face university students specifically. So I attended a reference group earlier in the year, which we were asked questions by Assembly members, and we got to network with other service providers and other charities and third sector groups. So today I attended the second reference group after we had an online platform discussing all of our ideas carrying on from the first reference group. So we came back and had another discussion with the Assembly members. We talked a lot about how GP service provision differs across Wales and how the users are getting a different experience from different GPs. So after the reference group, the Health and Social Care Committee met, and David Rees, the chair, took forward, and the other AMs took forward some of our ideas to Vaughan Gething, the Deputy Minister for Health. So they looked specifically again at the GPs and the way that they're trained and the way that they're helping misusers across Wales. I think if I could put anything in the report, it would be to make training for GPs more compulsory and at an earlier level, so whilst they're in medical school, train them about substance misuse more and about alcohol misuse and the effects that they can have.